Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change system time and system date in BIOS on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. In order to do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on Yoga Book 9. Once that's done, go to Configuration, and here you can set system time and system date, and it won't really change the date in the system because the date in the system is synchronized with the server. But in case you set up your laptop without internet access, then it's gonna take the time and the date from right here. So it's great to have it assigned to the right time, so everything just works correctly. Or if you have any reason to change it, you can also do that. And in order to do it, just click on either the time and you can change it. And I can see that it's not correct right now because it's 15, which is 3 p.m. 27. And I think there's a few seconds into that. So let's set it to, I guess, 40 seconds. And then click on OK. And now the system time is updated. You can do the same with system date, then click on OK. Remember to save the changes after doing them by clicking on Exit, then exit saving changes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.